Good day, passengers. Welcome on board. My name is Christine Macy de la Cruz, 26 years of age, 170.18 centimeters tall, and I weigh 65 kilograms, holding a bachelor's degree in tourism management. I am currently working as an administrative assistant in one of the Immigration Services Corporation here in the Philippines. I also gained experiences as a sales representative and a store manager. Through such, I am confident that I will be capable to do the job required, especially in customer service industry. The main reason why I am passionate to be hired on Flywheel is because I believe that this is a great stepping stone to develop and leverage my skills and experiences, as well as to contribute these abilities for the achievement of the goals of this airline company.